Imagine walking into a fitness studio where artificial intelligence knows exactly what workout your body needs today, where virtual reality transforms your boring cardio session into an epic adventure through ancient temples, and where your workout buddy might be joining you from halfway across the world through holographic projection. Sound like science fiction? Well, welcome to 2025, where group fitness training has undergone the most revolutionary transformation in its entire history. Hello, fitness enthusiasts and industry professionals. I'm thrilled to take you on an incredible journey through the cutting-edge world of next-generation group training. Today, we're diving deep into the most exciting fitness trends that are completely reshaping how we sweat, connect, and achieve our health goals together. These aren't just minor updates to traditional classes. We're talking about a complete paradigm shift that's making fitness more personalized, more engaging, and more effective than ever before. The fitness industry has always been about evolution, but what we're witnessing now is nothing short of a revolution. Traditional group fitness classes, while still valuable, are being enhanced and sometimes completely reimagined through breakthrough technologies and innovative training methodologies. We're seeing the emergence of hybrid reality workouts that blend physical and digital experiences, AI-powered personal coaching that adapts in real time to each participant's performance, and community-building features that connect like-minded individuals across geographical boundaries. But here's what makes this transformation truly remarkable. It's not just about fancy gadgets and flashy technology. At its core, this new generation of group training is addressing the fundamental human needs that traditional fitness sometimes struggled to meet. The need for personalization in a group setting, the desire for constant variety and challenge, the craving for genuine community connection, and the demand for measurable, meaningful results. Think about the challenges we've all faced in traditional group fitness classes. Maybe you felt lost in a crowded room where the instructor couldn't provide individual attention. Perhaps you've been bored by repetitive routines that didn't evolve with your growing fitness level. Or maybe you've struggled to find a consistent community of workout partners who shared your goals and schedule. The trends we're exploring today are specifically designed to solve these pain points, while amplifying everything we love about exercising together. From biometric responsive training systems that adjust workout intensity based on your real-time heart rate and stress levels, to gamified fitness experiences that turn every session into an exciting challenge with rewards and achievements, to micro-community formation that creates tight-knit support groups within larger fitness ecosystems. These innovations are making group training more inclusive, more effective, and frankly more fun than we ever thought possible. Throughout this comprehensive exploration, we'll uncover how these trends are not just changing what we do in our workouts, but how we think about fitness itself. We'll discover how sustainability and environmental consciousness are becoming integral parts of the fitness experience, how mental health and physical wellness are being seamlessly integrated, and how the boundaries between fitness, entertainment, and social networking are beautifully blurring. So whether you're a fitness professional looking to stay ahead of the curve, a gym owner considering your next equipment investment, or simply someone passionate about optimizing your own fitness journey, prepare to be amazed by what the future holds. The next generation of group training isn't just coming, it's already here, and it's more exciting than you could have imagined. Are you ready to step into the future of fitness? Let's begin this incredible journey together. Now that we've painted the big picture of this fitness revolution, let's dive deep into the technological powerhouse that's driving these incredible changes. The integration of artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and smart equipment isn't just adding bells and whistles to traditional workouts, it's fundamentally reimagining what's possible when human potential meets cutting-edge innovation. Let's start with artificial intelligence, the invisible genius that's becoming every group fitness participant's personal coach. Picture this. You walk into a class and within seconds, AI systems have analysed your previous workout data, assessed your current energy levels through biometric sensors, evaluated your movement patterns from past sessions, and determined the optimal intensity level for today's training. But here's where it gets truly revolutionary. This same AI is simultaneously doing this for every single person in the room, then creating a dynamic workout experience that challenges each individual appropriately while maintaining the energy and cohesion of group training. These AI-powered systems are learning from millions of data points, heart rate variability, sleep patterns, nutrition logs, stress indicators, and even social interaction preferences. They're discovering that Sarah performs better with high-intensity intervals on Tuesday mornings, that Marcus needs more recovery time after weekend sessions, and that the entire group responds positively to collaborative challenges rather than competitive ones. This isn't science fiction. Fitness centres across the globe are already implementing these systems, and the results are staggering. Participants are seeing 40% better adherence rates and 60% faster progress toward their goals. But if AI is the brain of next-gen group training, then virtual reality is definitely the imagination. VR group fitness is exploding beyond anything we could have predicted. Imagine joining a cycling class where instead of staring at a blank wall, you're pedaling through the breathtaking landscapes of New Zealand, racing alongside classmates whose avatars appear right beside you, complete with real-time performance data floating above their heads. The immersion is so complete that participants report forgetting they're even exercising. They're too busy navigating through enchanted forests, scaling virtual mountains, or dancing in zero-gravity space stations. These VR experiences are being designed by teams that include not just fitness experts, but also game designers, psychologists, and storytelling specialists. They understand that engagement comes from narrative, challenge, and achievement. So your group boxing class might transport you to ancient Rome where you're training as gladiators, complete with progressive skill challenges and team-based missions. Your yoga session could take place in serene, virtual temples, where your collective breathing patterns influence the environment around you. Imagine lotus flowers blooming as your group achieves synchronized meditation states. Now let's talk about smart equipment, the physical foundation that makes all this magic possible. We're not just talking about treadmills with screens anymore. Today's smart equipment is responsive, adaptive, and incredibly intuitive. Smart resistance machines that automatically adjust weight and resistance based on your form and fatigue levels. Interactive floors that track every step, jump, and movement, turning the entire studio space into a responsive training surface. Mirrors that aren't just mirrors. They're interactive displays providing real-time form correction, motivation, and performance analytics. These smart systems are creating what fitness experts call responsive environments. The room itself becomes your training partner. Temperature adjusts based on group exertion levels. Lighting changes to optimize performance and mood. Sound systems create personalized audio zones where each participant can receive individual coaching cues while still hearing the instructor and group energy. Some facilities are even experimenting with scent technology, releasing energizing aromas during high-intensity phases and calming scents during recovery periods. But perhaps the most exciting development is how these technologies are working together synergistically. The AI learns from your VR performance data, which influences how the smart equipment adapts to your needs, which feeds back into the AI's understanding of your capabilities and preferences. It's creating a continuous loop of optimization that makes every single workout better than the last. The result? Group training experiences that are simultaneously highly personalized and deeply communal. You're getting the individual attention of a personal trainer while sharing the motivation and energy of a group class, all enhanced by technology that makes the impossible feel effortless. This technological revolution is just the beginning. As we'll discover next, these innovations are enabling entirely new approaches to how we structure, experience, and benefit from group fitness training. With all this incredible technology at our fingertips, you might wonder, are we heading toward a completely digital fitness future? The answer is beautifully nuanced. The most exciting trend emerging in 2025 isn't the replacement of physical fitness with virtual alternatives. It's the sophisticated fusion of both worlds into what industry leaders are calling hybrid fitness ecosystems. This hybrid approach recognizes a fundamental truth about human nature. We crave both the tangible, sweat-dripping, high-five-giving reality of physical group training and the limitless possibilities that digital experiences provide. So instead of choosing one or the other, innovative fitness centers are creating seamless experiences that flow effortlessly between physical and virtual elements, sometimes within the same workout session. Picture this revolutionary scenario. Your group training session begins in a physical studio where you and 20 other participants engage in dynamic warm-up exercises, building that essential human connection and group energy. But 15 minutes in, you slip on lightweight VR headsets, and suddenly your physical movements are enhanced by a virtual adventure, i.e., you're still doing real squats and lunges, still feeling the burn in your muscles, still hearing your classmates breathing beside you. But now you're also navigating through an ancient temple, solving puzzles that require coordinated group movements, collecting virtual rewards that translate into real-world fitness achievements. These hybrid experiences are solving one of fitness technology's biggest challenges: maintaining authentic human connection while leveraging digital enhancement. Participants report that hybrid classes feel more social, not less. The shared virtual adventures create conversation starters and bonding experiences that extend far beyond the workout itself. People are forming study groups to master virtual challenges together, celebrating each other's achievements in both physical and digital realms, and developing friendships that are deeper and more multifaceted than traditional gym relationships. The programming possibilities are absolutely endless. Martial arts classes where physical technique training seamlessly transitions into virtual sparring matches against AI opponents calibrated to each participant's skill level. Dance fitness sessions that begin with learning choreography in the studio, then transport participants to virtual stages where they perform for audiences in fantastical settings. Imagine dancing on clouds, while your real-world movements control virtual light shows that respond to the group's collective rhythm and energy. What's particularly fascinating is how these hybrid models are revolutionizing the concept of class scheduling and accessibility. The physical component might happen in a studio with an instructor, but the virtual elements can extend the experience across time zones and geographical boundaries. A yoga class starting in New York might seamlessly connect with participants joining virtually from London, Tokyo, and Sydney. The instructor guides the physical participants through poses, while the virtual attendees contribute to shared meditation visualizations that enhance everyone's experience. This global connectivity is creating unprecedented opportunities for cultural exchange through fitness. Imagine learning traditional Brazilian capoeira movements from masters in Rio, while your local group provides the energy and motivation, or joining meditation practices led by monks in Tibet, while maintaining the community support of your neighborhood fitness family. These experiences are breaking down barriers and creating a truly global fitness community where knowledge, traditions, and inspiration flow freely across continents. The hybrid model is also proving incredibly adaptive to individual life circumstances. Busy parents can join the virtual portion of classes from home when they can't make it to the studio physically, maintaining their connection to their fitness community and continuing their progress without interruption. Business travelers can participate in their home gyms classes from hotel rooms worldwide, keeping their routine consistent and their motivation high. The technology ensures that whether you're physically present or joining virtually, you're still receiving personalized coaching, real-time feedback, and meaningful interaction with your fitness family. Perhaps most importantly, these hybrid experiences are proving that technology, when thoughtfully integrated, doesn't diminish the human elements of group fitness. It amplifies them. The shared virtual adventures become stories that participants tell for years. The global connections foster understanding and friendship across cultures. The seamless integration of physical and digital challenges creates a sense of accomplishment that's both deeply personal and beautifully communal. As we'll explore next, this hybrid revolution is creating entirely new categories of group fitness experiences that are redefining what it means to train together, challenge ourselves, and build lasting wellness communities.